Hi, friends! Today, we're going to flip through our farm animal cards. Can you guess what's hiding behind each one? Let's go! Our first card says, cow. It's a cow. The cow says, moo. Let's flip the next card. It says, pig. It's a pig. The pig says, oink oink. Ready for the next one? This card says, sheep. It's a sheep. The sheep says, Baa Baa. Let's flip another card. It says, chicken. It's a chicken. The chicken says, cluck cluck. One more to go. This card says, horse. It's a horse. The horse says, neigh. You did an amazing job. We flipped all the farm animal cards. Which one was your favorite? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos. Bye-bye.